Hi, so as you have clicked this video to understand how to add measure in Power BI, isn't it? So measure is like kind of adding a formula cell in Excel sheet. Same like that. You would need some formulas there and you will add it. From the perspective of PL300, you might get question asking whether a measure is better or adding a new column to your table. So the answer would be adding a measure would be better to your data. So on the right hand side, you can see this is the data that is been loaded, and these are the columns that you will find in the table. So in this scenario, what I would say is you can add measures onto your data from here itself. You don't have to do anything, any changes in your main table. If you add something on your table, that is the main table, then the refresh speed will be slower as compared to if you are adding a measure. So that's why it is best to add a measure rather than a column onto your data. So this is important. This concept, this point is very important from the perspective of PL300 exam. I hope you all get it. If you have still any question, then you can ask me in the comments box and I would be happy to assist you. So let's begin. Now what we'll do is on the table's name. So financials is the table's name. I will right click and click on new measure. So as soon as you click on new measure, that measure will be added onto this particular data model. And here you will see the name of the measure would be by default measure. You need to change it. What I'm trying to do here is I'm adding a measure which will help me to see what will be the time and date of refresh of the last refresh. So it will show me the last refresh date with the help of the measure that I'm going to add. You need to update the measure formula. So for that, what you want to do here is first give the name. I would mention as the measure's name as last updated last updated, and then I will mention the formula as now and then enter. So this will fetch you the current time and date. So whenever you refresh, this will also change, right? So that is the way you can use it, wherein if you send your report to someone, they can easily know like when was the last refresh date and time, right? So this helps. This will make your report more interactive. Let us see how this work and how the measure have been added. So on the last on the right hand side, you can see last updated, which we added as a measure. Now I will add a card tile. So this is the card tile. So once I add the card tile, just drag and drop the last updated value here. You can see my system time is 11/9/2025, correct, 17. So let me refresh this. You can see the changes on the measure value that it would give after I refresh it. Yeah, so it has refreshed, and you will see the date and time is also changed. You can also see that the time have changed here, right? The date will not change because I just refreshed it. So now if you can just resize it and drag and drop anywhere you want on your report. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If yes, then please click on that like button, subscribe my channel. Also, before going, I want to give you all a gift, that is a free Power BI Kickstarter course, which would be beneficial for someone who want to learn Power BI from scratch. I have given the link in my description and also given a coupon code there. Use the coupon code to get the course for free. So this is a launch offer. It's a new course, newly launched, so that's why. Go ahead and take the benefit of it. I will be there to help you out with any questions. And also, I would like to see the dashboard that you would create post the course. You can send it to me. I'll be happy to review it. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.